if you can see this thing I'm about to show you now, you stop losing your trade anyhow. If you can see this, you will stop losing trades. Why? Because there are things ordinary eyes cannot see. It takes men who knows what they are doing to see that. Do you know that in a month there is always a candle that is trending? Do you know that in a week there is always a candle that is trending? Bro, do you know that even a day we have what we call a day candle? Now the question is, what do you do with those candles? Right here is the candle of the day, and I want to show you something that will tell you what the years ahead is coming with. My name is GDFX, and in this video I want us to explore deeper into the forex so that we will detect what the upcoming market may look like, and when that happens, it will be easier and simpler for you to trade and start making money online. You know, let's dive into the market immediately and let's see what this thing can offer to you and how it can affect your trading career. Now, this is Crash 500. I'm not just talking about Crash 500, I'm talking about the general market. Anything you want to trade on this very market, we have a candle that will be making your day if you focus on it. You know, most traders today are jumping in and jumping out. When they place trade, they close their eyes thinking that they should pray. Sometimes they do one thing or the other in order to, they thought it's spiritual. It's not spiritual. It has nothing to do with spirit. These things are market. These things are market. It's a matter of supply and demand. When people that are selling are much who are supplying the market, and the people that are demanding it are lesser, that is to say that there is going to be an excessive, that is the law of supply and demand. So when demand is more than supply, there is going to be scarcity. So this is what happens in the market. Now look at from this very axis, follow me, from this very axis, look at it, from this very axis to this place, people were selling and they were busy selling. So do you get that? So from there we'll have this one now currently. So what is this talking about? First week, this is what we'll have. Second week, third week, fourth week, fifth week. So if you are to put it straight, and if you check the date, our calendar, you will notice that this candle here, this very candle, will be closing this week. So the next candle that will come up now will take us to the new year. So that candle will close on the very first day of the new year. So once that happened, immediately that thing happened, it will now tell us everything that happened in this place becomes a backtext. Everything that happens here becomes a previous candle. So the new journey now starts. So once this new journey starts, it shows one simple thing, that the move of the candle would determine the move of the month, the move of the year, and those things. So if you are looking forward to make trades and you want to be successful, this is the week candle. Now this is why everyone trading Crash and 500 is suffering, because as this candle is now, you cannot make good profit from here. What you'll be seeing is going up and going down. This is what you'll be seeing. So if we check on our small distance, this is what you'll be seeing. This is what you'll be seeing, because it will be going up and it will be going down. Why? Because here, currently here, this is what candle look like. Please, can we check this thing on our lower time frame? Can we check this thing? Let's check this thing on 15 minutes. Can you see what I'm telling you? Can you see? So this is what you'll be seeing. You cannot see a very strong move. You cannot see it. You cannot see a very strong move. This is what you'll be seeing. Can you see it? This is what you'll be seeing. Why? Because from the very higher time frame, this is what you'll be seeing. You cannot see something that is so strong, a kind of uptrend or downtrend. You only see few uptrend and small uptrend, because when the thing is moving up, the market is coming down. So when the market is going down, the thing will be going up. Look at it. So what it means is that you will see a bearish move. You will see a bearish move from this corner. It will go up like this. Another one will come back a little, and this one will go up. Another one will come back and cross this one. Then this one will go out. This breaking the rules of supply and demand. And at the same time, you cannot say you are buying. You cannot say you are selling. At the same time, you cannot say you are buying. You cannot say you are selling. That is how the market looks because of this shape of the candle. But notwithstanding, you can still make profit from here, because if you draw your trend lines and your demand and supply zone carefully, it will help you to detect when this market will be going a little bit up. But that is to say that you cannot hold for a very long time, unlike this one here. Anyone that did the analysis here and placed trade from this corner is on money, and that is why you can see some people placing trade on Monday and they are closing on Saturday. Why? Because they have seen the future of the market. But at this point now, we cannot say that this market will pull back to this place again, and we cannot see it will continue at this very moment. That is why it is very difficult for anyone that is trading boom and crash to make constant money, especially those who are doing swing trading, those who are day traders. It will be difficult for them, because what they will see in the morning, they will see future like this, but only for them to realize that the future changed at the process, and they don't know whether to close halfway or they should allow you to retrace and go back to the position. Rather, they can be on profit. At the end of the day, they will see the thing crossing their position, and without a lot of mess is what they will be seeing in the forex. So that is why I want you to be very, very, very careful. Now, so doing the analysis of this thing so that you'll be seeing the future of this very market. Now, right here again, you know, this video is a kind of it requires you to pay attention so that you understand it. And what I'm telling you is not all about now. What I'm telling you is not just something you watch and enter your trade. It's something that has to rest on your mind, so that anytime you are placing trade from next year, any moment, this video should take you for just a period of one good day. It's not a video that you will just watch for one day and you said it's over. No, each time you are confused, visit this thing and see the future. Remember what I am telling you today. If you can see this, there are mistakes you will never make in your forex career come next year. There are certain things you should never. I'm just telling you the simple truth, that I will keep dropping this video. I will keep dropping it every single month, so that it will keep it will keep dropping in your mindset, so that you will not make the same mistake again. So what are the things that you should look out for if you want to be successful in this field? Now, like I said earlier, look at the market. Can you see this? Look at the market. This is what we'll lay our hand on. This is what I will set our eyes on. And this is a weak candle. Now, when you talk about this, let's go to 4 hours. Now, when you go to 4 hours, you will see that this journey started from this very corner. Let me remove this. This journey started from here. It started from here and ends somewhere here. This is where the journey started. Now, after this, before that happened, this is what happened. Now, when you mark your higher lows and lower lows, when you mark all those things, you discover that at this very point, something is changing here. At this very point, something is changing here. Now, I did not add any indicators, because when you want to talk about technical analysis or fundamental analysis, there are things you should put in place. Studying of the candle should be your first priority before thinking of any other thing to add up. When you add moving average, Bollinger Band, and all those things, you are just going to confuse yourself. But you need them to clarify certain things in the market. It's a must you add them, so that it will help you to fish out the fake things in the market. But outside that, please do your analysis carefully. And I keep saying this thing, when you check what the market looks like in form of this, a lot of people will be confused, and this is 4 hours time frame. So even when you step down a little bit to let's just say 6 hours time frame, you will still discover that we still have something like this. So when you have things like this, there are things you should have inside of you that nobody should stress you on. What is that thing? That this market you are seeing here is up to nowhere. It's up to nowhere. So don't be deceived with the movement you are seeing in your 1 minute or 5 minutes time frame. It's up to nowhere. When the market was on a move, you saw it from this corner. This is it. It went through. Even when this one showed up, it later came back to this very direction. So don't deceive yourself and don't fool yourself. So once you see things like this, one thing that should run in your mind is something is going on the higher time frame. Something is going on the higher time frame. These things are the things that you should have in your mind. Something is going on the higher time frame. So when the market is like this, like sometimes we'll have